Look around you. Almost everything you buy, wear, or consume had to cross oceans, highways, and borders to reach your hands. The modern world runs on a massive, relentless system of movement. Getting a piece of that action seems incredibly straightforward. On paper, the business model is built on a few basic steps. Buy a truck, find someone who needs freight moved, charge them for the trip, and keep the margin. But the purchase price of the vehicle is just the beginning of the bill. Before a single package is delivered, you have to pay for commercial insurance, operating permits, specialized equipment, and the technology to track it all. Because these costs are due every month, regardless of whether the truck is moving, the business is capital intensive from day one. Without significant cash reserves to absorb these early expenses, a new operator can run out of money before completing their first month of deliveries. Even if you survive that startup phase, you quickly hit a strange reality. Moving more packages does not mathematically guarantee making more profit. You don't control what customers are willing to pay. When there is a surplus of available trucks chasing too little cargo, open market prices collapse. The market can wipe out your margin before the engine even turns over, no matter how efficiently you run your operation. To understand how a logistics company can be incredibly busy and still go bankrupt, we have to look closely at the math of a single moving vehicle. The moment a truck's wheels start turning, the company is spending money. Fuel, driver labor, insurance, maintenance, and financing costs accumulate with every single mile traveling down the highway. This map illustrates a major problem in the industry. A truck driving to a destination full of cargo is earning revenue. But if that truck has to drive back without a load, it is still burning fuel and paying a driver while earning nothing. This is an empty mile. Looking at this chart, you can see exactly how dangerous an empty return journey is. The accumulated costs of driving an empty truck back home eat away at the outbound revenue until the entire profit margin for the route completely disappears. To stay profitable, the company has to coordinate return shipments in real time. The goal is to keep the truck loaded whenever it is moving, matching the vehicle with cargo that needs to head in the same direction. Without precise route management, a moving truck stops being a financial asset. It becomes a heavy, rolling liability that bleeds cash by the hour. Expanding to a fleet of 100 trucks gives you 100 chances to generate revenue, but it also creates 100 new opportunities for something to break down, get lost, or get delayed. In logistics, time is actual capacity. If a truck is stuck sitting at a loading dock for 3 hours waiting for cargo, the driver is still on the clock. That is paid labor generating zero progress and time you can never get back. This timeline shows the most common trap for growing fleets. On the bottom track, the company pays out cash daily for fuel, repairs, and wages. On the top track, customer invoices take weeks, sometimes months, to finally clear. Your balance sheet might show a profitable month of deliveries, but if your cash reserves run out in this exact window, right before the payments hit the bank, the company fails. Scaling a logistics operation demands massive amounts of idle cash sitting in the bank, purely to survive the delay between doing the physical work and getting paid for it. To escape the brutal margins of the open road, companies often expand into warehousing. By storing, picking, and packing the inventory, you capture multiple steps of the supply chain instead of relying on a single trip. But a warehouse comes with its own version of the empty mile. Rent, electricity, and labor cost the same whether the building is packed to the ceiling or completely empty. Unused space drains profit every single day. Filling that space often means relying on a single giant client. A massive contract can fuel rapid growth, but if that one customer decides to leave, the empty warehouse and the employees remain, creating a severe structural vulnerability. Finding replacement clients is difficult because basic point-to-point transportation is highly competitive. If 5 companies can move the exact same load between 2 cities, the service becomes a commodity, and customers simply pick the cheapest price. Buying more trucks and larger warehouses is dangerous unless you offer specialized services, like temperature-controlled transport or complex fulfillment tech that competitors cannot easily copy. This leads to the major strategic divide in the industry. Asset-heavy companies buy fleets and build warehouses to maintain total physical control. Asset-light companies take the opposite approach. They use partners and outside capacity to grow. This diagram visualizes the ultimate asset-light model, the freight broker. A broker owns 0 trucks. Instead, they act as a central node, finding shippers who have cargo and connecting them with independent carriers who have empty space. By solving the connection problem between those two parties, the broker takes a cut of the transaction without ever touching the freight or buying a drop of fuel. At a global scale, moving a single product might involve a delivery van, a warehouse, a cargo ship, and a freight train. No single company has to own every step, but someone has to coordinate the handoffs. In modern logistics, controlling the information flow and managing the network can often generate more reliable wealth than owning the physical vehicles themselves. Moving enormous amounts of freight can produce a massive top-line revenue number, but that rarely equals the strongest or most profitable business. The companies that survive the long term are the ones that ruthlessly control their invisible overhead costs, keep their assets highly productive, and accurately price the risk of every single contract. A fleet of trucks and a network of warehouses are the physical tools of the trade. The real product is reliability, the guarantee that a shipment will navigate an unpredictable journey to arrive exactly where and when it's promised. Anyone with enough cash can buy a fleet of trucks, but the real advantage and the real wealth is built by mastering the invisible systems that keep it all moving.